And up next we have yet another outfit change because we're moving on to our last wig. So this one is HT Olivia in the color TS Crunch. So I've already cut the lace off, but this is the amount of parting space that you get. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and then she also has adjustable straps. So I've just added a little bit of powder just to brighten up the part and just pop this unit on my head. As you can see, so this is how the curls look. So we're just gonna brush them out a little bit more, which is gonna make it bigger as well. So here's the part up close with some powder on it. So I decided to go with a side part of this wig and I really like it. I love how the curls look now that they're a little bit more brushed out. I think it looks a little bit more natural when you like pull them out a bit. They just don't look as perfect. I love the color combination in this wig as well. I'll spin around so that way you can see the density and see how it looks from the back. The only real downside to this wig in particular is that she is a smaller cap size than the others. She's still comfortable, but I do wish there was a little bit more room in there for me. Let me know which wig was your favorite down below in the comment section. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's wig haul, and as today was like a special wig haul, there's more than one wig in the video, I'm gonna have a very special guest to come and say goodbye with me. So I know some of you know who Sable is. Sable is my little puppy. She's gonna be 2 in a couple of weeks, and sometimes she makes an on-screen appearance, and today is one of those appearances. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today's wig haul. I'll have another wig review on the way, of course, very soon. Bye guys. Bye guys.